Today I'm going to make a couple of ornaments, and it's going to be fun because although they'll be shiny, you won't have any of that mess on the outside. First, I take some quick shine that I buy at the Dollar Tree. I pour it into the ornament, swirl it around, make sure you cover the entire inside, pour it out into the cup. Being sure not to make a big mess like I've done at times. Shake a little of the extra out. Take a funnel. Grab your favorite glitter. Here I'm doing some shimmery white. Swirl it around so you cover the entire interior. Depending upon your color scheme, you can make an entire tree full of ornaments, or you can even use them as accents on your wreaths. Pour it out into a cup. And you can put it aside and let it dry. Let's do a silver one. Silver and white is always a beautiful color scheme. Again, use a little quick shine floor polish from the Dollar Tree. Swirl it around. The ornaments I chose are not round completely. They are a bit of an oval. I like to use them in a wreath because they can sit nice and flat. Be sure to get as much of it out as you can. Here comes the funnel. And now, silver glitter. Of course, the cap it wasn't open far enough for the spout. So we'll just open it up and dump a little bit in there. Make sure you put enough in so it can coat the entire inside of the ornament. Get that cup ready. You don't want glitter everywhere. Let it fall into the cup. You can actually put it back into the container and reuse it. And here you have it. Silver and white ornaments that you made, and it was pretty inexpensive to do. I hope you enjoyed it.